Hello, my name is Lincoln Majogo, and I'm a Part 4 student currently studying law at the University of Zimbabwe and one of the participants in this year's ASO ISE competition, which is an abbreviation for African Standardization Organization. My motivation in participating in this ISE competition lay with a theme which speaks to Pan-Africanism and the contemporary issues that we are discussing as African students. And secondly, the prize money. The Standards Association of Zimbabwe generally provides for numerous services, which includes product development, standards development, testing, and training. I would like to encourage the organization to keep providing us with such a great platform for African students to air out their views and issues concerning the development of products as well as their quality. I would also want to encourage African students to participate and to partake in this great initiative to ensure that our voices is heard at a global and continental level. Lastly, I want to congratulate every person that participated in this ISE competition this year and to encourage everyone to keep participating and partaking in this competition. I thank you.